Hey, what's going on, world? We have here a 2019 Lamborghini Avenger, or whatever the hell you call them. Anyway, I'm just kidding, but yeah, this is a 2003 Toyota Corolla, and this damn thing is making music to my ears. I've had the brakes and rotors replaced on the front, and it took care of a big issue, but anyway, it's still making a rubbery noise. I don't know what the heck it is, but if you do know, comment below. Maybe I can get this thing solved. Anyway, I'll do some driving around and some braking. That way you guys can hear what the heck this thing is doing. But yeah, let's start out with some braking. See if we can hear this. I've taken this thing also to the shop. I mean, Toyota dealership, local shops. They couldn't figure it out. Had the bearings replaced twice. Yeah, it's been a nightmare with this thing, but she's been to hell and back, and she's still surviving. And I want to keep it that way. But yeah, here's some braking here for you so you can hear this. What the hell was that? You hear that crap? The heck? Let you guys listen again. What the? Alright, let me know if you guys hear this again. One more time. Listen to this crap. But yeah, that's what she's doing. And oh, it's getting on my nerves like none other. And if you guys know anything, comment below, please, because she needs fixed. I know she's a survivor, and I know she's gonna make it through. But yeah, I've done some little bit of research, and it was saying something about maybe possibly the hub bearings. I'm gonna take it to my local mechanic. Hopefully he can get this thing all figured out, get her all buttoned up, and get her all pretty and dolled up again like a makeover. But yeah, it is what it is. Hopefully we'll get it all solved. It's been a nightmare, but yeah, hopefully we can get it solved. Comment below if you know anything, like I said, anything. And you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.